How you doing? This is Andy from We Offer Cash,
This is Stacy.
and we just bought this house in North Miami, 33147. We just closed on it today. We came from the title company. We just wanted to show you quickly inside so you guys get a view of what we just bought. Follow me. So guys, we just wanted to show you that we buy properties as is. Just kind of wanted you to take a quick look. So we buy properties as is, any condition, any situation, whether it's foreclosure, let's say you just finished probate and you're looking to sell a house quickly for cash. We have several ways, several different options on what we can do when it comes to the sale of a property without an agent, without a realtor. And so give us a call now, give us a call today. If you're looking for a cash offer, a fair offer, we do not lowball, we do not, we give fair offers, we make sure that you're satisfied with our service, because we not only buy the house, we also assist with moving, we assist with placing a home for pets. We do much more than just purchasing a house. We try to show care, show love to the homes that we buy and fix. Typically we fix up the property, we rent it out to a nice family, and so give us a call today. We offer cash for house.